Enrolling to the UH community colleges is quick and easy with our Kama'aina app. Plus, there's no application fee. Apply at kama'aina.hawaii.edu. First, select the college you want to apply to. Now, begin to complete the required fields step by step. First, choose which semester you are applying to. Next, select your planned program of study. If you are unsure of what degree you want to pursue, then select liberal arts. Keep in mind, whatever degree program you select is not final, and you will still have the option of changing your major. Next, in the fields provided, complete your personal information, including your name and high school information. For high school ID number, if you are a current student attending a Hawaii public school, please list your current student ID. This will allow the campus to retrieve your high school test scores for placement into various community college courses, and you may not need to take the placement test. Next, enter in your high school and graduation year. Keep in mind, the email you use for this application should be one that you check often, so we suggest that you use a permanent personal email account and not one affiliated with your current high school. The college will send you important information to this email address. Next, enter in your gender and birth information. It is optional to include your social security number, but helpful to include for financial aid purposes. You will then answer questions on your citizenship status and ethnicity. Finally, you will complete the remainder of the application that will help determine your residency status. You will be asked to provide your parent or guardian information and whether or not they claimed you on their personal tax return, their citizenship status, and whether or not they are in the armed forces. That's all there is to it. You've finished the application, and all you need to do is hit submit. Plus, there's no application fee. Your official acceptance and next steps will be emailed to you within 1 week of receiving your application, so be sure to check your email within that time frame. Also, as a next step, don't forget to complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. By completing this form, you may be eligible for the Hawaii Promise Scholarship or other forms of scholarships and aid that will help pay for your education. Last year, close to $5 million were awarded in Hawaii Promise Scholarships to UH community college students. On behalf of the University of Hawaii Community Colleges, mahalo for applying with us. We look forward to having you on one of our amazing campuses soon.